afternoon, students. So, care and maintenance of fabric in institution we have started earlier. So, the second part is institution. Large institutions that require a constant flow of clean linen, working clothing, or uniform like hospitals, prisons, and hotels will usually have their own laundry departments. The organized collection, laundering, and timely delivery of processed material is essentially to the operation of the institution. There are two types of institutions which have in-house laundry and maintenance setups that is within their organization. These are hotels and hospitals. Both have a large quantum of bed linen and other room furnishing requirement and also staff uniforms and accessories such as apron, cap, headdresses and masks. The hospital laundry take care of hygiene, cleanliness and disinfection. However, a number of hospitals have started using disposals where there is a threat of infection which are then destroyed by burning. Most of the articles in hospital are the cotton and dyed in color specific to the hospitals and department with dyes which have excellent wash fasteners, only the blanket and woolen. The daily laundry thus emphasis mainly on cleanliness of cotton materials. So, in the hospitality sector, that is for hotel and restaurants, aesthetics and final finish of the articles are the most important as compared to hospitals. The articles here may be of different fiber contents. Final finishing of laundered goods, that is starching, ironing, pressing, and correct and perfect folding are emphasized. They also have to care of guest personal laundry when required. As mentioned earlier, the smaller hotels may have link ups with commercial laundries from outside. The quantum of work, especially for bed linen, is much larger for hospitals as compared to hotels. The big hotels may have up to 400 to 500 rooms. The larger hospital may have to take care of 1800 to 2000 beds or even more. Of these, sheets in operation, theatre, maternity ward, and labor room may require 5 or more changes per day. Linen requirement in stock in a maximum of 6 sheets per bed. Each set normally consists of bed sheet, draw sheet, and a pillow slip. The blankets are not changed daily unless soiled. Apart from linen for patient bed, the other articles to be laundered as dress, gown, kurta, pajama, etc. For patient dress, coat, gowns, kurta and pajama. For doctors, there is generally a different color from dress for patient and maybe the terracotta material and some general material like tablecloth and curtains. Preparing for a career, the field of care and maintenance of fabric is a technical field. The primary requirements are knowledge of the material, that is its fiber content, yarn and fabric production technique, and the color and finishes applied in terms of the effect of care required. Knowledge of the process involved, knowledge of the chemical and other reagents used in the process of their effect on the fabric, working knowledge of the machinery requirements and its functioning. Generally, laundry management courses are short term programs which offer coaching, job placement, assistance to start business, practical training with stipend in high tech laundry, job opportunities in airways, ship, railways, hotel, and high tech hospitals. However, since each setup may have different type of equipment and different requirements, a practical training of internship would be required. Qualification in textile science, textile chemistry, fabric and apparel would be extremely useful. These courses are offered as specialization for the graduate degree by several institutions throughout the country that offer home science. So, last is the scope. This is one area where person with specialization in textile and clothing, fabric and apparel can venture into entrepreneurial activities. These services provide much needed help and support for the end user in metropolitan areas, especially where women are working outside the home. There may be also large number of nursing homes, small hospitals, daycare center, etc., which would need such services on a regular basis. One may also choose to work in high-tech laundries of railway, airways, shipping lines, hotel and hospitals that is institution and organization that have in-house program for care and maintenance of fabric and textiles. So that's all for the today. Thank you so much.